Hey, Arnold here. When you're ready to start programming, you will need to connect your controller to a computer. The computer runs code, then uses the controller to talk to the drone. To get started, remove any AA batteries in the controller. Then plug the micro USB cable that came with your box into the controller. Plug the other end into the USB port. If your computer only has USB-C ports, make sure you have an adapter that converts USB into USB-C. Something like this or this should work. Your controller will turn on in the link state when you connect it to your computer. If the drone is in the remote controller state, then press the power button to toggle this state. If the controller stays on the remote controller state when toggling, make sure you are using the micro USB cable provided with your kit. This is the state you need for programming. In this state, you'll only be able to use the emergency stop command, which, as mentioned in the previous video, is L1 and down on the joystick. You'll want to keep this in mind so you can stop your drone at any time during coding. You can also return to the remote controller state by clicking the power button. Next, power on your drone by inserting a charged battery into it. If your drone and controller are already paired, they should both have solid lights, like this. Now your drone and controller are set for programming. If the drone and controller are not paired and you notice the drone and controller are still blinking, head to our video on pairing to see how to pair the drone and controller. To code in Blockly, go to this URL and hit the pair button. Select this item from the menu and click connect. In Python, if you've already set things up, open up a Python script and hit run. We have another video on how to set up CoDrone EDU for Python. Once you've done those steps, you'll get a message like this in the console, showing that a CoDrone EDU was detected and it paired successfully. Now you can head over to our Basecamp lessons at this URL to start learning how to code. Thanks for watching.